Hello friends, this is my first video with SAP controlling. So the basic configurations for controlling has been described in our previous videos. You can find them in SAP FICO playlist, or else I will provide the link of those videos in the description of this video. So in this video we will discuss about the repost of controlling line items. That is, uh, we are doing some journal entries in finance, and for that uh, there are two documents will be created in the backend. That is, one is accounting document and the other one is controlling document. So the cost in the primary cost element will be collected by the cost center. So let's say, for example, it is collected by the cost center A1, and if we want to repost those controlling line items to an other cost center or some other cost objects, either it can be either an order or a real estate object, we can repost the line items in this cost center to an other cost centers. So in short, the reposting line items enables you to adjust the posting errors of cost and revenue, and we can repost specific line items from controlling documents. So so in this video we'll discuss how to the repost of CO line items. First, I will create some ledger in finance in the expense account group, and we will convert it to the primary cost element, so that the primary cost element will be linked in the controlling module, and I will link the cost center A1 into that primary cost element, and we will go on with the journal entry, and we will see the report of this cost center, and then we can go on with the reposting of CO line items. So I just first I will show my ledger. We will create a new one in expense account group. So in the expense, let me create a new account. Okay, let it be some expense for repost. Let me give some name for the ledger. Field status group is 4 for cost accounts. I will create it. I will save it, and then we will create the primary cost element for this ledger. So just click on edit cost element. Let me give the validity date. The cost element category, and the default account assignment, that is, we need to link the cost center. So for that I have created some 4 cost centers, A1, A2, A3 and A4. So we will collect the cost in A1. So I just first link the cost center A1 here. Just click on enter. Just click on save. The primary cost element has been created with the same number in the finance. So now I just make a new session. Okay. Let me post some journal in the FB50. status of the outgoing account. Okay. So here I just link my expense account in debit with the outgoing account, the bank outgoing account as credit for some amount. Let it be 1000. So just save this entry. Okay, the value field. So the document has been posted. So let me update this document number here. So we are performing this one. Okay, I just in the finance module we have posted the document number with 8002. So I just show you the controlling document number. Here I just go to the document, okay, display. Okay, the document number is this. Let me go into the environment, the accounting document. So this T code FB03 displays the finance documents. So let me update it here. To display the finance document, there's the accounting document. The T code is FB03. And to display the controlling document, let me show the T code. I just double click on the controlling document. The document number is 7601. So I just update it here. The controlling document generated is 7601, and this controlling document is created because we have configured with the controlling document type coin in our previous video. You can find it in our FICO playlist. I will provide the description of that video, the link of that video in the description of this video. You can find it. I just show you in the meanwhile. So this is the controlling document. So I just double click on the controlling document. You can also see the cost center A1 has been linked with our expense account 50018. So this is the controlling document, and the T code here is KSB5. So in order to display the controlling document, we need to go to the T code KSB5, and this is the controlling document. So when I expand this, you can see the expense. Okay, this is the name of the account we have displayed in our ledger with the offsetting account. It's a bank outgoing account. A1 cost center has been linked. Okay, it's all set. Now we can do some reposting of line items. We know that with this document number we have 1000 rupees uh, in this document, and it has been linked with the cost center A1. And now I'm going to move some of the value, say for example 500 rupees to the cost center A2, and for this we can do it by the T code KB61, and the document type that should be linked with our controlling area is RKU3. Let me link this document type first. I just go to the T code KANK, which is the number range maintenance. I just link my controlling area here. Click on enter. Click on groups. So I have previously defined the coin document type, and because of this configuration we could able to generate the controlling document during our postings from finance. So that is the main purpose of this document type. So in this, I just click on make a tick here, and I'm going to link the RKU3 document type, that is repost CO line items. I just click on here and click on this icon and element group, so that it will be moved to the number range we have created previously. I just save this, and we have already created a number range on our previous videos. Okay, I've linked that. Now we can go on with the T code KB61. I just go to the T code KB61. It is for single line item. The document number, the accounting document number, it is 8002, 8002, and it is associated with the cost element. I just execute it. It does not exist. Okay, I just remove this. Just click on enter. 76. Okay, the document number is 8006. I think I've wrongly displayed or wrongly maintained here. It is 8006. So I just we will just see this. Just open a new session. FB03 to display the accounting document. Just click on enter. So this is the document. I've written it at 8002, but it is 8006. So I've changed here. The finance document we have posted is 8006. So I just go here. I just enter the accounting document number. I just execute it, and you can find it here. So let me repost this. I just select here and click on change account assignment. Okay, we will change the account assignment. The cost center is A2, or I will change the 500 here and click on change account assignment. The cost center is A2. Just click on tick. You can see here. Okay, I will change the this is 500 is for A1 and the remaining is for A2. I just click on save. So it shows the document 7602 has been created. Let me display this. So I just enter into the KSB5 to display the controlling document. Click on execute. I just click over here, and this shows that from the A1 cost center 500 has been debited, and it is reposted to the A2 cost center. So let me show the cost center line item KSB1. So in the cost center A1, I just execute this. So actually we have posted 1000 rupees in this cost center, but you can see now there is 500 rupees. So this is the actual we have posted in our finance, and where the 500 rupees has been moved to the cost center A2. Let me show the cost center A2 also, where there is no previous amount with the cost center, and now it is having 500 as balance. So we have done this. So we have moved from one cost center to the single cost center using the T code KB61. Now we can move from one cost center to the multiple cost centers. That can be possible with KB11N. So we have 500 rupees in our cost center A1. Let me move some 50-50 amount to the A3 and A4. So the document type, the document the T code we are going to perform this KB11N. So before that we need to maintain this document type in our controlling area RKU1. So I just go to the T code KANK. So in the same way I will just link, I just pick here RKU3 or RKU1 repost cost. I just select this and I will update into my number range. Just click on save. So this document type has been included to my number range. Now we can go on with KB11N. Okay, the cost center old, that is A1. Here also I just go with the A1, that is linked with the cost element 50018. Okay, we have okay, I just go for 300 and here I just go for 200, and the new cost center is this one A3 and A4. The new cost centers A3 and A4. Okay, let me convert the 50-50. Okay, just go for 250, that is 50-50 quantity, and this is 50 unit of measure is 50 percentage. I just link the percentage unit of measure as percentage over here. So this shows that we have 500 in our cost center A1, and this amount will be transferred to 250 for A3 and 250 for A4. Let me save this. So the document is posted with the document number 7603. So I just leave this. I just go to the new session. We will first see the cost center line items. I just go for the cost center A3. So there is 250 rupees. Similarly in cost center A4, so we have 250 as balance. So what about A1? So there is end up with 0. So initially we have transferred 1000 rupees from our journal entry, where we have moved 500 to our cost center A2, and now we have distributed 250 and 250 to our A3 and A4 cost centers. So it can also be viewed in our controlling document also in KSB5. So this is the loss created document number in the controlling. So you can see here the cost center from A1 it is moved to cost center A3, and from A1 again it is moved to cost center A4. So likewise we can do our configurations, do our repost for CO line items. So we found that this is the controlling document which has been automatically generated during our postings from finance, and we have converted from A1 to A2 the document. So in this transaction we had the document number is 7602, which do not have any relationship with the uh, finance area. And similarly, we have moved the cost from A1 to A3 and A4. So the document created is 7603, that is this one. And even this document do not have any of the corresponding document in the finance. So it is in ECC 6.0, it won't be available. But in S4 HANA, we will it will be automatically generated. The finance document number will be automatically generated. So since it is ECC 6.0, we could not do that. But in S4 HANA, it is possible to generate the finance document during the posting of controlling document. So that's all about repost of CO line items. So we will continue with the next video. Thank you.